Hello, in front of me I've got Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, and if you don't have it installed, download it from Play Store. Open it. Tap View Wallet, and as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards to your Google account, check quick tips and manage your passes. Also you can add new passes like transit pass, loyalty and gift card to your Google account. From the menu you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, tap to pay setup where you can turn on NFC, set up payment card, check if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks and manage your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, updates from Wallet and Google Pay, and success animation. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.